Step into the heart of the action with Trinity Square Student Accommodation in Nottingham, the ultimate destination for students seeking a vibrant living experience in the city center. Nestled in Nottingham's enchanting streets, Trinity Square offers a cinematic retreat inspired by the romantic allure of Notting Hill with its range of stylish en-suite and studio apartments. Each room features a cozy double bed, a dedicated study station, a spacious wardrobe, ample storage space, and a clean, private washroom. On weekends, unwind and relax with friends in the stylish and contemporary communal lounge or outdoor lounge. Need a quiet place to focus? The dedicated study room provides the ideal environment for revision or focused work. Dive into an exciting social calendar all year round, from cocktail-making classes to group cooking sessions and seasonal events. There's always something on the agenda at Trinity Square. Located right in Nottingham's city center, Trinity Square stands out as one of the best-located student accommodations, surrounded by shops, cafes, and restaurants like Chili Flames Nottingham and Turtle Bay Nottingham. In addition, the property is conveniently located next to the Nottingham Trent Business School and is less than a 5-minute walk from the N2 campus. Plus, the property is well connected with a network of bus and train stations like Royal Centre Stop and Nottingham Train Station. Make Trinity Square Nottingham your home and embrace the spirit of Notting Hill in the heart of Nottingham's cultural footsteps. Visit amberstudent.com to learn more.